Live. Going live now.
You are listening show Think Like a Millionaire. We will reveal why rich people focus on opportunities and poor people focus on obstacles, or why your income grows while your aspirations grow. We will discover some best tips that will help you think like a millionaire and double your money. Stay tuned and be ready to join this amazing journey with us on UIC Radio.
All right, good morning. Today is Thursday morning in South Florida, and today's show, Think Like a Millionaire, is uncovering how to make more money. So there are 3 best rules that will change your financial mind and will let you achieve that goal. Let's start. So the first rule is to buy a spiral notebook. Yeah, carry it with you if you possibly can and write down every idea that comes to you throughout the day. Review this idea log on a regular basis. Sometimes one idea that you have while you're driving along, sitting, reading, watching television, or in a conversation may be the insight that will lead to the start of your fortune. If your goal is to make more money, write down all of your ideas as to how you will achieve that goal. So the rule is catch the idea and write it down. If you don't write it down fast, you will very often lose it. And it's very, very important how write them. Do not type, just write it. I will explain you why. So writing things down doesn't just help you remember, it makes your mind more efficient by helping you focus on the truly important stuff. The second rule is accept the idea of being a millionaire. Most of the time, you just want to have villa that costs $10 million, but you even do not imagine how is it to own it. So the idea is to be sure and believe that you deserve it, that you can have it, and it doesn't matter on what level you are. Just relax and feel yourself like a rich. And the third rule is when you want something, please do not think how you're going to achieve that goal. Most of the time, people do not follow their dreams because of problems that they are expecting while achieving that goal. So if you decide what you really want to have or to do, write down that, believe on that, visualize that. Do not think about problems. There is no way to get dreams easy and think positive. And please remember, it is not easy, but the hardest part is in you, in your thoughts. You get whatever you think. So think positive and you will get whatever you want.
Next week, we will continue our journey around thoughts of millionaires. Until there, don't forget, with our show, you will learn to think like a millionaire. Thanks for listening. It was the show Think Like a Millionaire by Lilit Muradian on UIC Radio.